Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew channel. We're going to do a pretty quick stream here, talk about crypto, and get going on the night. So hopefully y'all are having a good weekend, good end to your weekend. Again, I just wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin, and then my longer stream will be tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Central Time. So let me just quickly recap. I want to make sure that my sound is good. Testing. So we're live on YouTube and TikTok. It'll be a pretty quick stream. Oh, wow. So BCH, I'm in a short on BCH from $453. That is in the money, just based off taking a short up here when you went below this thick yellow line on the 33-minute time frame. It's my favorite time frame to trade. And right now, my stop loss should be at $447, right above or right at that yellow line. Really, if you want to be... it should be slightly higher, more like at 447, 448. So that way, if you touch the yellow line and get rejected, you'd still be in the trade. So obviously, that short would still be in the money, and I told my trading group to take that. So if you did, you'd be in the money. So anyways, but let's go and look at the Fear and Greed Index on Bitcoin or on the entire crypto market cap right now. Right now we are sitting at 57. It's out of 100, so we are still right now in greed ever so slightly. I believe anything above 50 is technically in greed. So just something to keep an eye out for. The only thing I really use this for is when to really go heavy into buying or when to go really in heavy in selling. If this thing's above 90, you really want to be selling if you're trading or doing swing trades. If it's below 10, that's when you want to accumulate in the bear market. So that's kind of what I've noticed. Anything in between is kind of interesting, but I don't really care about. But let's get started on Bitcoin and go from there. So right now, Bitcoin is struggling. We did just make a new weekly candle on Bitcoin. So let's kind of go and look at that. I'm going to use the Coinbase chart. So as far as I can tell right now, this is a falling wedge on the weekly time frame with a measure move still. Nothing has changed from a few weeks ago where I said $87,700 is the measure move as long as you can hold this last local low here at $56,000. As of right now, we've done that. I'm a little bit worried we're going to lose it again. But if you hold 56K, I'm looking for higher targets to the upside on Bitcoin. The weekly time frame looks good on the stock RSI. As you can see, we're trying to make a higher low right now. The 3-day time frame is oversold. The 2-day time frame, it's just kind of going sideways, meandering around. And the daily chart made a lower high, so I don't really like that. That's why I need to see, we have not made a higher high yet. We need to see a higher low and then a higher high. A higher low would be anything above 56,300. Really anything above 56.5 for a higher low. So as of right now, I like where the weekly is on Bitcoin, but the smaller time frames, I still see more downside coming. And the next support for Bitcoin is 57,000. If you lose that, then obviously you're going to make a lower low, and then the downtrend is going to continue. But I believe if we make another lower low, Bitcoin is going to lose this falling wedge on the weekly time frame, and then we could be in for like a red summer. So we really need to hold and make a higher low here. If we don't, then I could see a bearish summer for Bitcoin. We could still be in a bull market, but it wouldn't be a very fun summer if you're trying to, say it's a bull market. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. If you lose 56,000, your next stop is 49.2, and then below that 47,000. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm kind of bearish right now on the shorter term time frames for the crypto market, but weekly still looks good to me if we can hold 56K. That is kind of your line in the sand on the weekly time frame, and then to the upside, your weekly resistance is $65,500. You're also on the smaller time frame sitting on support here at $60,500. If you lose that, your next real support again is at that $57,000 range. So again, I'm in shorts right now. I'm not long on crypto, except for my super long-term investments, like the stuff I plan to hold, over a year. But like shorter-term stuff, I'm short on the market right now. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Again, I think that we won't get any crazy move until probably Tuesday or late Monday. But if you lose 60,500, I would say you're in for like a $3,000 drop. It might not happen instantly, but I would say you're in for like a $3,000 drop over the next following days after that. If you lose 60,500, your next stop would be 57K. So that's what we're looking at. And again, if you lose 56,300, then it's likely that the falling wedge is negated, and then your next stop is 49.2. So that's what we're looking at. And I'm gonna go over, and Jasmine looks good to me right now. I just posted a video on that. I am also going to go look at Dogecoin. Let me know if you guys want me to look at Dogecoin really quick, and we can do that as well. Thank you for the follow, Hosea. I don't really have time for a request tonight. Thank you for the single like. Wow, you guys are like all over it tonight. Yeah, I don't have time for requests tonight, but I will look at Dogecoin really quickly, and then I'll get my Dogecoin video out there. So anyways, this is Dogecoin. I'm looking at Dogecoin different chart because I kind of want to clear things up though. So we'll use Dogecoin on the Binance chart and kind of go from there. Plus, like I said, I'll be back live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time. So in just about 25 hours from now, I'll do requests tomorrow night. So let's look at Dogecoin. This is on the Binance chart. So I kind of just started from scratch and started fresh. So this is a falling wedge I see on Dogecoin right now on the 3-day time frame. The 3-day time frame is oversold, kind of struggling to get the bounce. But it's the simple idea is that Dogecoin is bullish right now. Dogecoin is bullish right now, and your measure move to Dogecoin is about 27 cents. We basically got the same price over on the Coinbase chart. So if you hold the level of 12 cents, I see a move going up to 27 cents likely. You also are going to have more resistance at that previous high up there at 22, 23 cents. So that is also something to watch out for. And then, of course, major support at that 7.5 cent level. And then below that, 2.5. I don't think we're going below 7.5 cents again. So really nothing to worry about. But that's what I'm looking at. I could see more downside back down to 12 cents or maybe even down to 10 cents. But 7 cents, it's unlikely. But if Bitcoin really did take a dump to the low 40,000, I suppose this could happen, but this is my idea on Dogecoin on the 3-day time frame. So really, if you can make a higher low above 12 cents, I see more upside. If you lose 12 cents, then yeah, the next stop would be 10 cents, and then below that, 7.5 cents on Dogecoin. That's my quick update on Dogecoin. If you guys enjoy this, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll be live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time on Monday for our next live stream, and I will do requests on tomorrow's live stream as well. Can I check NavX? I probably can tomorrow. Wow. Now Bitcoin Cash is really taking a dump. Your weekly low was $419. Like I said, I am short on this, so it's something I care about a little bit. And I did put a short out for this, so if you took the short again, you'd be in the money. If you just listened to me on my live stream or my TikTok last time I talked about it, you'd be in the money. But anyways, that's what we're looking at right now on Bitcoin Cash. And my stop loss, I will move down to $448 because right now I think it's around that $455 level. I don't know. I'd have to look. So I'm going to move my stop loss down a little bit into more profits because I did get into the trade at $453 on the short. So we'll see what happens, but that's kind of what we're going on. Now, to me, this is like a rounded top scenario or a situation on Bitcoin Cash, and this looks bearish to me. That's a rounded top. And these usually make lower lows like 95% of the time, at least 90% of the time, especially when the market is not doing well. So really, a lower low would be $420.35 or so, and you're sitting just a few dollars away from that. So it's very likely, in my humble opinion, not financial advice, that this does make a lower low and this downtrend will continue. Also, I'm about to wrap this up. Again, a very quick stream. The next support that you really have is $343. So that is my take profit down there on Bitcoin Cash. We'll see if we get down there, but that is my take profit is $343. So that's what we're looking at. I'll be back live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time for our next live stream. Sorry this had to be so short. I just want to go live here real quick, talk about the markets, and I'll be back live for my longer stream. Tomorrow where I'll do requests and all that, but I do have to get going here. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. And I'll be posting to my trading group everything I'm seeing throughout the night because I know it was a quick stream. Thank you for the follow, Ari. Thank you for the likes. Ethereum gonna dip. I agree. It looks bad. Ethereum does not look good right now, but unfortunately, I do again have to get out of here. Let me see if we have Ethereum. Yeah, you're losing support. You're losing the support at $2,880. And really, if you lose that, yeah, I don't see the next weekly support. You're probably gonna have some kind of support at 2140-ish. But overall, Ethereum is probably going to the low 2000s here in the next. Sell in May and walk away. That's what they say. I'll keep it that simple. The next support I really see on Ethereum is just below $2,200. Yeah. And if Ethereum is dipping, probably Bitcoin is as well. And then below that, like 866. I don't know if you lose 2200 or 2185, but obviously anything's possible. That is the next support on the weekly time frame on Ethereum is 2185. So I don't really see much support at 2500. I really don't. So maybe on the daily or 4-hour chart you have support there, but like on the weekly, yeah, you just don't. The weekly is oversold though, so you're ready for a bounce here, but I do have to get out of here. Monthly, look, the monthly chart on Ethereum is just getting started. So overall, I do see more downside coming for Ethereum. With that being said, guys, I'm getting out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 11 p.m. Central Time for our next live stream. Sorry I had to be so short, but I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Until then, trade safe. Have a great rest of your few hours of your weekend or what is left of it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday night, for our next live stream. Until then, trade safe. Have a great day at work tomorrow. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another awesome, longer live stream. Yeah. So, that's what we got. And tonight, when I get back, I'll post the BIC or the Dogecoin update. So, yeah. Short and sweet and to the point. That's what we got going on.